There's multiple ways to approach this problem. Because I'm very graphical and can graph things easily, I would graph a parabola, 2 to the right and down 1. We know that it goes over 1, up 1, over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. And we also know that we only want the portion greater than or equal to 2, so I don't need to draw this part. This is the original function. We want its inverse, so we can switch the x and y. This is 2, negative 1. That becomes negative 1, 2. This would be 3, 0. That becomes 0, 3. And the graph will look like this. And of course, it's an inverse. So you should have it reflect over the line y equals x. And it does. Now we can answer the questions. Does it increase over its entire domain? Yes, it's always going up. Is the domain x is greater than negative 1? Yes, because this negative 1 comma 2 is the farthest left value. So that one's true. Does 3, 0 lie on the graph? No. 3, 0 does not lie on the inverse. It lies on the original. Is the range y is greater than or equal to 2? Yes, that's also true. Other approaches are to make a table